Good morning. In this presentation, we are going to see how we can trade in MCX crude oil today. Before looking into that, we want to say something about our video presentations. The basic purpose of presenting this video presentation before the market opening is not to prove how good we are in analyzing the market compared with other brokers. But certainly we want and expect all our traders to prove themselves how good you can be in trading if you follow a workable, disciplined trading method, proper money management technique, and finally changing your mind that can make a difference in your trading patterns. Your success is most important to us as a commodity broker. And also another major important thing is that from Monday onwards, all the video presentations will be available only for the clients of Alesco CTS. So all viewers who have been watching our presentations, and we want to really thank you for all your support. Please and kindly open a trading account with us so that you can also trade like a pro. Now let us go back and see how we can trade in MCX crude oil today. Yesterday crude market opened around 4,726, not 4,720, around this zone the market opened yesterday, and yesterday's price opening is just above the previous day's price closing, which was around 4,260. If you see the previous day's price action, we can say the market has taken some resistance around 4,760. That pushed the market down and closed around the key zone of 4,720, because this 4,720 just pushed the market higher on the previous day, and this acted as a good support level. And what we expected yesterday was that yesterday also we expected crude to continue its downtrend, having 4,760 as a major resistance till 4,820 to till 4,800. We expected crude to continue its downtrend unless until there is a closing above 4,820. We expected crude to continue its downtrend. So let us see what happened after that. After the price opening, you can see there was some support. The market is gaining support around 4,720. After breaking this support, you can very well notice that there was a continuous drop in crude oil price, because there is not even a single bounce back. The market came down and tested 4,660, one of the major support zone in crude oil. You can go back to the price action. What happened on Tuesday? You can very well notice that this 4,660 has provided a strong support that pushed the market again upper and that pushed the market higher above 4,720, and eventually that pushed the market to 4,760. So again, after breaking the support zone of 4,720, the market came down till 4,660. Let us see whether this has provided a good support for crude again. And after taking a good support, you can very well notice that the crude is finding some support that pushed the market higher, and there was a consolidation happening around 4,680. But all of a sudden the market gave a bounce back again, and after you can notice that this 4,660 has provided some good support, and that pushed the market and broke this 4,720. Now it should act as a resistance, and again after successfully breaking this 4,720, the market again entered into the key zone of 4,750 and 60s. So we expected some selling to happen around 4,760, because we expected selling to continue till 4,820, because those are the major key zones in crude market. Because you can see on the previous day the market has found some good resistance around 4,760. That has pushed the market down till 4,660. Let us see what happened after that. The market found some resistance around 4,760 that pushed the market down till 4,720. You can notice here, after breaking this, the market entered and the market found some resistance here, and that pushed the market down. Again it has taken some support around 4,720. Then the market really it entered into the key zone of 4,760. Now we want to see what happened after this. whether the market has got the potential to break this and enter into the very major zone of 4800 and 4820. Let us see what happened after that. This market 4760, you can notice that it provided a strong resistance, because you may notice that after entering this zone, the market provided a strong resistance that pushed the market clearly to 4720, and after that the market 4720 just has provided some support that pushed the market bit higher, but unable to sustain this 4720. The market again came down below 4720, and you can notice that there was a steep drop in price again. So this is a very good selling. This is how the market will react on major resistance zone. Since 4760 acted as a good resistance, it again pushed the market till 4660, near 4660. Let us see what happened after that. Then there was some bounce back as usual during the closing session. The market just consolidating near 4760, and it closed around 4690. So if you see the entire price action, what happened yesterday was that after the price opening, after the breaking 4720, the market was completely dominated by the seller in the earlier session. So as usual, there was some bounce back till the major resistance zone of 4760, and in the later session it was again dominated by the seller, and the market continued its downtrend. So comparing the price closing with the previous day's price opening, you can notice that the yesterday market closed around 4690, and yesterday price opening is around 4720, just above 4720. So you can notice that the price has closed well below the previous days, that is on the price opening, the yesterday's price opening, and also the price closing is also below the previous day's price closing. So that indicates that the market trend is still in the downside. So today also we can expect crude to move down, and also the major important thing is that we are expecting crude to open much below this yesterday's closing. Probably we expect crude to open below 4660, and if possible it can, based upon the rupee value, it has got the potential to open near 4640 also. But surely the price opening is going to be much below the previous day's price closing. That clearly indicates that the market trend is completely down. So what we can expect for today is that again we can expect the market to continue its downtrend, and you may also know the major support and resistance zone now. It is very clear this 4660, if the price is going to stay below 4660, now this support zone should act as a resistance. 4620 is another major support we have marked on the earlier trading session when the market hits a major support zone. That is the purpose that we always draw these lines well before. It is not that after the price actions we go and draw these lines. These lines are drawn well before, whenever we see a price action or good support and resistance. That will surely help us in the future. Now this is going to help us in the future, near future. So today also we are expecting crude to continue its downturn, having some resistance around 4720 and 4760. What we are going to do for today is that just we are going to decrease our stop loss zone till 4760. Now slowly and steadily we will be decreasing our stop loss zone. So for this complete week we have made 4820 as a stop loss zone, and we followed a certain defensive strategy for trading after making good profit in the previous week. Hope this week is also a wonderful week for us, and clients who had followed a certain principle and money management technique, who has followed our method of trading, would have gained a good profit. So today also we expect crude to show a downside movement. So let us see what's going to happen during our trading session, and thanks a lot for all your support and watching our videos. Take care, happy trading, bye.